Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women outfit ideas. You can see different color, different design, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. Dear friends, you can see crochet material, crochet woman, outfit ideas like crochet woman, scarter design, bodycon design, crochet woman skirts, long dresses, short dresses, different style, different ideas in front of you. Dear friends, you can see and you can made it at home if you know how to crochet work. So dear friends, most attractive and most amazing collection. Please try this collection. If you want to buy this amazing collection, then I will tell you the best websites, and you can contact me also. You can contact me on my number, on my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this. So dear friends, most attractive and most amazing collection. You can visit my channel. You can see other material like crochet baby material, like crochet baby frock design, romper design, crochet baby shoes design, jewelry also like crochet woman necklace, earrings, bracelet design, anklet designs also. So try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.